What is going on, everyone? My name is Stoody. I'd like to welcome you all to my first ever cooking tutorial. So today I'm going to be showing you all how to make a very delicious banana sandwich. So here's what we need. Bread, sugar, obviously a banana, butter, a teaspoon or a normal spoon, whatever you want to use, and a knife. Now this knife isn't for stabbing people, it's for putting butter on bread. Alright, so let's start off with opening the packet of bread. So I'm going to make 2 sandwiches, so I'm going to grab it, 4 pieces of bread. Now I'm going to place it on the table here, as I know you can't see shit if I put it up on my side. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you can see when I put it up your hand there. Alright, so now what you got to do is you got to put the butter on. So open up the butter like this. Oh look, it's a brand new butter. I've got to take the actual wrapping off it. So you grab your knife. Remember, this is for buttering bread, not for stabbing people. If you want to stab people, there's better knives for that. Let's see what we got. Oh, this knife here. This knife you can use to stab people, but not this one, as it won't really do shit. So, what you got to do is put the butter on the knife and spread it on the bread, like this. If you don't know how to do that, I don't know what to tell you. It's not very hard. Now, I like to put the butter on every single slice of bread, like this. So that's 2 done. Let's do the 3rd. Like this. 1 more. And there we go. All done. Now we're going to clear up the butter. This, and now we're going to get our banana. We're going to open up the banana like this. Make sure you get rid of the black disgusting bit on the end of it. Shit, I just got a little bit of the black stuff on the bread. So get rid of that, and now what you've got to do is you've got to cut up the banana. Now we're not stabbing anyone, we're just cutting up a banana. Alright, so let's go. In small pieces like this. Now, once you get up to about halfway, these are what your pieces should look like. You can start putting them on one of the sandwiches. Like this. And that should be good. Now I'll cut up the rest of this banana here. That, and I'll put it on another slice of bread like this. Try and put even numbers on each slice. Guess there's a little bit extra on that one, so put a bit more on the other. And there, now we have the bananas on the bread. It is time to add the sugar, because the sugar makes it taste a lot better. So open up the sugar. Yeah, I haven't even cooking yet. You're going to need a knife or scissors. So, go back into your drawers, take all these scissors here, and I'll cut it. Try not to completely rip it like that. But anyway, get your spoon in, fill it up with sugar, and then just spray it on to all the bananas, like this. Normally I do a teaspoon for each sandwich, and do it for the other one. Right here. There you go. This isn't really dirty, so I can just put it back in the drawer. Alright, now take this thing back up. It's closed again. Alright, now obviously you've got to put your slice of bread on top of each other, like this. There you go. It's all finished. You now have a very delicious banana sandwich, as you can see here. So yeah, I guess that is it for this cooking tutorial, even though I didn't really cook anything. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Be sure to hit that big thumbs up button and leave a like on this video. I also have Instagram. It is called Stoody YT. I'll piss off. The cat just jumped up on the chair. You guys would have saw that. But anyway, I do have Instagram. It's called Stoody YT. So if you'd like to go ahead and follow that, link to that will also be in the description. I hope you've had a good day, and I'll see you all in the next video.